It's not funny, bro. Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Ish, day 2 of the office vlogs. We're just getting started with the day right now. Things have been really intense recently. We just literally lost power like 5 minutes ago. For some reason, I don't know what happened, bro. Freaking the earth don't want to see me win, bro.
They don't want you to float in the water. So we float in the water.
But anyways, guys, we're getting started with the day. You guys are already in the office. We're taking care of operations, locking in deals, doing business deals. We're doing things at all costs, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, let's get into it.
Right now, because one client is missing the results, so I'm asking for the results, what are the steps, so I'm gonna make them quickly because he is asking. We have a lot of clients, we have a lot of work to do.
Why don't you just tell me that then?
I thought you were asking the first part or second part.
Dude, I need that email extraction ASAP, bro.
How?
Do you understand we have clients that they need extraction right now, boys? Dude, this guy keeps turning off the freaking laptop. I'm telling him to extract one thing, he's not doing it, bro. It's not funny, bro.
Bro, I didn't turn off the PC.
Dude, you can't.
Today, I have some tasks. I'm doing those tasks and I'll do those tasks. So one thing about the email extracting thing, it's so hard. Yeah, she's leaving, but I think it's a good decision that he left this company and made me CEO. So I appreciate it, and I think it will actually provide a really good value to the company and employees and all of the clients we have.
Other computers as well, so you don't have to worry about your own computer being used by anyone else.
Zoom meeting.
Call him.
Yeah, we're arranging a meeting.
This is important stuff, bro. We paid for the licensing, he needs to give it to us. Rock, I'm still waiting for those calls, bro. If there's anyone freaking triple texting us, they need to, bro. They told me they were locking on Thursday. So they're locking on Thursday regardless. We'll see what happens, but they said they're locking on Thursday, so we'll see. The other guy, do you know that I have a $750 invoice waiting for me? He didn't even freaking pay. Remember the guy that I was on the phone with? Remember the guy that I was on the phone with, right, bros? The guy you heard, the content package and legion? He didn't even freaking pay. Yeah, I sent him the invoice, he asked for my Zelle and everything like that. He left me on red.
Like you left Black Channel on red.
We did leave Black Channel on red, but that wasn't for no reason, bro. We already got what we needed, and that was a shout out. So we're good. Black Channel, if you're watching this, I'm sorry. Well, we are cloud chasers here.
So yeah, guys, I'm a bit sleepy today. You know, didn't sleep too well last night. Making some big moves from home as well. And like past 2 days, we made around like, I guess we could say like 5K in profit.
So I went and got the drop top Rolls Royce and I went and got the Rave.
So as you guys know, Ish is leaving to Florida in a couple of days. He told you guys. So when he's gone, I want to keep everything in check, just so the company does not go underwater, you know, just doesn't go bankrupt when he's not here. So I want to keep everything in check, and I want to impress him when he gets back. So I'll make sure I work hard, and peace.
Announcement real quick. So a few things that I want to talk about today. First and foremost, everyone should know their tasks that they're doing today in terms of content, sales, and everything like that. Hopefully, are you guys extracting emails and everything?
Yes, we are.
So I need not only 5,000 lists, I need 20,000 now. We're going to be upgrading the levels of what we're extracting on a daily basis. So every email, if the person doesn't have 20,000 followers, we do it max. Let's just say they're 19, you do 19. 7, you do 7, okay? And then you do 20 if it's a 20 plus. Okay, another thing I'm doing is I'm going to Miami on Sunday, so I'm not going to be here. Please, for the managers, for God's sake, make sure you don't blow this company up and take it to the ground, okay? I need you guys to show me some leadership and show me some executive in terms of what you guys are doing on a daily basis. Make sure you guys manage your team effectively. And I'm going to be checking in with the managers every single day to ask what you guys did in the company and what is to be expected. You guys should have known by now what are the expectations within the company, so I think you guys should be set. But please, for God's sake, I'm giving you this trust. Don't lose this trust, because once you lose trust with me, it's very hard to get it back. Other than that, do you guys have any questions for me? Come on. All right, guys, let's get to work and let's make some money today. Let's get it.
second. We also have.
Our boss, Ish, is leaving soon, and this is the first time we're gonna have our office by ourselves. But I'm chill. I'm chill because our team is already working in a systematic way. Ish trusts us, so we think, yeah, we can work on our own. So, yeah, pretty much that was it because the team is working good, service fulfillment is good, and I hope when he comes back, the company is working the same way as it is. So, yeah, I hope we're gonna take care of the company in his absence. There will be some issues, I think, but not in my department.
Interview video, how many interviews? The thing about it, bro, I need your help to post the content. I can't post all the content myself. On my freaking, I have too many things I'm doing. I need you to be in charge of posting the content. Yeah. So if you need a phone, Moz has a phone now, Zane has a phone, I have a phone, whatever you need, just we'll take care of it. Okay.
Can you arrange more extensions because the plugs are less in the laptop?
It's so important. We have too many computers, we'll definitely make that. I'll put that on my to-do list and talk to electricians or something like that so we can get some more plugs in. But think about all this extensions, everything is coming from one source up here.
Down there and we'll have multiple sources.
Yeah, I didn't want it to all freaking blow up. They have like 30 plugs. All you see is a big one.
There is a possibility.
Yeah, so just gotta be careful. Alright guys, so I'm hitting Miami on Sunday. I'm leaving the managers in charge here, man. It's kind of scary, but I think it's pretty much automated at this point. I don't think I need to put too much time and energy into people, you know. Things happen sometimes, but I think that we can handle it at this point. You know, they've been training for about a couple months now. So I think they're all set to go and ready to get started with everything. You know, the company is doing amazing. We're hitting record numbers. I think right now, in terms of like revenue that we hit. So today is the 15th of April. So we've been doing a little bit more than 15K. We probably hit maybe like 16, 17, 18 in terms of revenue. So we're just doing big numbers and we're gonna keep going higher. Let's get it. So yeah, the file where you guys send emails, and I want to see it organized in the fashion where it says sent and then non-sent. You know what I'm talking about? Please just show me the list that you guys sent versus non-sent. You organized it already.
Yeah, sure.
Just show me how you guys are like organizing in the fashion that you guys already know it's sent. Because how do you know if it's de novo 3 sent and not de novo 4? Is what I'm trying to explain.
We're doing it in order.
Let me see the order. I want to see something. So how do you guys know that WAC 102 was sent? How do you know? You don't. That's the thing. Just what I want you guys to do is put, after you're done with the list, rename it and put complete. So I know, bro, everyone knows that we have finished this. Say, let's just say, for example, you guys are right here. Someone else knows that these are done. Okay? Because I don't know anything. He doesn't know. I don't know. You know what I'm saying? So we just need to have these labeled as done. That's it.
So you want more classes?
Yeah, so right now, what I need you guys to do is write which ones have been done, so I know and the whole team knows which ones have been done, okay? Okay, so I'm going out for a week. Hopefully they don't burn down the freaking office. Hopefully, you know, they don't steal stuff. You know, I don't know what's gonna go on. They might throw a freaking pizza party for all I know.
You're gonna pay for that, right?
They have access to my cards, so they can do whatever they want, but hopefully they don't. But yeah, guys, so I think right now we're pretty much good on autopilot. You know, pretty much all the managers know what they gotta do to get done, and they know that there will be consequences if, you know, the job isn't done. So, you know, I'm pretty confident in my team, and I think we can get it done for sure.
Emergency, I have to leave, bro.
You want a job?
Yeah, bro.
Let's stay here.
I did all my tasks, bro.
I don't care, bro. MK, you gotta understand, dude. I need you here, bro. You have other people that you have to work with and stuff like this, bro.
If I win,
What challenge?
bro, I think you haven't trained for 2 days, so let's do an arm wrestling, bro.
Oh, this guy's challenging me, bro. This guy's challenging. Let's do it. Let's do it. If this guy wins, I will let him go home early. That's how confident. This guy's small. This guy's small, bro. He's like 5'8", bro. I got fat. He got
a bit bigger than your face, bro.
Yeah.
What the heck is that? I can
take support.
Just hold it like this.
It is the support.
Wait, no, I can hold the support. He can't.
And the other thing is that you can't do like this.
I'm not gonna do that.
There's no cure to this.
Actually, you know what? You can do this like this. Like this. Like this. So
Yeah.
Alright. 3, 2, 1. Oh, you're such a weak guy, bro. Oh, this guy's weak, bro. Weak boy. Weak boy. Oh my God, let's go. I'm not playing! I got fat on me, but I'm gonna get you down! Yeah. I don't believe it. My arm's tired now. I all the strength in. Alright,
Let's do it, bro.
Oh my God, this guy's so weak. Dude, I masturbate, bro. Masturbate, bro. Your freaking supplements don't work. Alright guys, that's gonna be the end of the video, guys. I just really appreciate you guys supporting and watching to the end. It's been pretty fun, it's been pretty memorable. We did some really funny stuff and we got a lot of work taken care of too. So anyways guys, we're gonna end the video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe! That's the end of the video. Me and my team, thank you guys so much for watching and peace!